Autumn Beckman here, and Roxy, welcome to our channel. My channel is all about luxury on a budget, so if you're into that sort of thing, please make sure you subscribe, click the bell notification icon to be notified when I post new videos, and be sure to like the videos that you enjoy. Today's video, a little warm in this coat, but I'm gonna leave it on. I just got home from work. I knew that I had a package to pick up, but I thought that it was an advent calendar that I'm planning to use for Vlogmas this year. And when I opened the package lockers and got the box out, I was very happy to see that it is something else that I didn't know an exact arrival date on. This is why I have Roxy here, so let me show you. It is this subscription box from WineDog. And WineDog has dog and wine themed items in their monthly boxes. They are $35 a month, or you can get a 3-month subscription and save a little bit of money plus shipping. You can also go in their shop and they have some previous boxes or some other themed boxes that you can order for around that price or a little bit cheaper. So I thought maybe Roxy would like to unbox this with me. She was just running around frantically, very excited and playful. And of course, now that she's on camera, she acts like I abuse her. But we'll see. We'll see how this goes. Maybe you'll like something in the box, Roxy. So I'm gonna have her here on my lap and we'll see how she does and if she's interested in anything. My dogs don't play with toys, so if there are any toys, not sure, I'll give them to a friend's dog that does play with toys, I guess. She just jumped off my lap. So let's open this together. Whoops, stuff is falling out. Let's look at that first. There's some paperwork here, some cards. Oh, their slogan is so cute. It's never drink alone again. There's their card with their WineDog winery website. Every box has a bottle of wine or beer for your dog. Maybe that's why it's so heavy. And 10% of the proceeds, no, 100% of the proceeds go to dogs in need, which is just wonderful. They also have, we're thankful for you, WineDog, cheers. Welcome to WineDog and enjoy your dog's night in, cheers. Okay, this is cool. This has some spoilers on it. I won't show it to you yet, and it says list the item for your dog and the items for you. I don't want to look at all of it yet. I want to be surprised. Okay, and I think it had, yes, it had one more piece of paper on the top here. This is cute. I'll just hold this up instead of reading it and let you read that yourself. You can pause it and read it. It's very cute. Let me say before I open this, I said my channel's all about luxury. I think if you find the right subscription box, it's a total luxury on a budget, because you get nice things that you enjoy. And usually subscription boxes, one of the things about them is that they are supposed to be a very good value. So if you like the items in them, if you find a subscription that you really love, and I'm in the process of doing that right now, then you get items you really love for a great bargain. I'm hoping that WineDog is one of these. I mean, how perfect is this for me or anyone else who loves dogs and wine? It is just fantastic. I mean, as soon as I saw the name of it, I had to order it. And $35 is a very good price point for subscription boxes. There are lots that are much more expensive than that. And I like the idea of a monthly subscription box too, not a quarterly one. A little surprise once a month is very nice. All right, let's get to it. Oh, that's pretty. It's wrapped so nicely. I love the little paw print paper and the little WineDog sticker. Adorable. Okay, let's open this up. Here we go. Oh, you can't see a lot yet. All right, I'm gonna just start pulling stuff out. I'm gonna put this down so that paper doesn't fall out. I love that the stuffing is paper so that it can be recycled or you can reuse it too. I love that it's recyclable if you don't use it. Oh, how cute. Look. It's a little bottle of sparkling rosé, a toy for your doggy, and it has Velcro on the bottom with a water bottle inside, so you could take it and it can be, oh, it squeaks. I wasn't expecting that. Roxy's over on the chair looking at it, but she doesn't seem to care that much. Interesting. My Sebastian would have loved this, but he's not with us anymore. So it says on this tag you can replace with recycled bottles. To keep the toy squeaking, be sure to reuse the included squeaky bottle cap. Oh, that's what's making the noise, I was wondering. When replacing the toy with your own plastic bottle. I was thinking too, let me take the bottle out and see. Oh, interesting. So it has this little squeaker thing. But I was thinking if you wanted to, you could fill it with water or fill it partially with water and freeze it and put a regular cap on it too for summertime, and then you could have a cold toy. Now it would maybe soak through and get this wet some, but since it comes off, you could just pop that in the washing machine. That's such a cute toy. Again, mine don't really play with toys, so this may be a Christmas present for another family dog. It's super cute. All right, next up, Pet Creamery Ice Cream for Dogs, Barking Bacon. Very cool. I'm wondering how it's not frozen. It says peel, add water, mix, and freeze. How cool is that? And it expires in March of 2021, so I can save this for the summer. Very cool. They will love that. They will love any treats that they get in this box. They just won't play with the toys. I don't know why. I've tried to get them to. Oh, here's the bottle of dog wine. Super cute. Fetch me Grigio. And this isn't actually wine. This is a dog-safe drink. It says on it non-alcoholic. In case you're wondering, it's mostly filtered water. Ew, then salmon oil, organic bacon extract, vegetable juice, and citric acid. Sounds appetizing, doesn't it? But the dogs will like it. It's from petwinery.com. I've seen things like this at TJ Maxx. This says, the Pet Winery Estate. We've created non-alcoholic treats to enjoy with your felines and canines. Our products are safe for all ages. We hope your four-legged family members will enjoy it as much as ours. And it's 5 ounces. I mean, how cute. Now this is for me. This is cute too. I love wine accessories, hence this box. These are wine bottle stoppers. You can see here that you put them in upside down, and they're little glasses of red and white wine. And this is nice because they look like they're plastic, so I'd be able to take them to wineries with me and stop my wines and not take like a fancy one that might break. So that would be very handy. Oh, that's so cute. I'm dropping paper all over myself. It's a journal. My dog is my favorite human. That's so true. I'm gonna open it up. Here it is outside the packaging. It has the same pattern on the back. And then when you open it up, it's all lined pages like this, the whole book. That's great. It's a really nice size too. I love it. So far, this box is a hit. Oh. I mean, it just keeps getting better. I'm only talking to my dog today. This box was made for me. It's a pouch. It's one of those, you can hear it, that crinkly that can't be ripped. So it's a flat pouch. It's got the same design on both sides. It says woven from 95% post-consumer material. Perfect. This appears to be a fairly environmentally friendly box. I love this. Okay, what is this on the bottom? Ooh. Oh no. Okay, now when I said this box was made for me, what? It's a Dachshund cheese board and turquoise, which is one of my favorite colors. Holy cow. It's made of bamboo, also environmentally friendly, resists staining, cracking, and warping, more durable than traditional hardwood, and a renewable resource. See, I told you. This is the best box ever. I think that might be it, but wow. Yeah, that's everything. Oh my God. Okay, now let me show you that one card that I didn't want to show you up front because it had the spoilers. So here's what it looks like. It lists everything that you get. For your loving dog, the Fetch Me Grigio wine, the Barking Bacon ice cream, and the Sparkling Rosé toy. And then for you, the dog board for cheese, the dog notebook, the Tipsy bottle stopper set, and the dog zipper pouch. Tell you what, $35 I said, right? This is well worth $35. I've told you before, I think about these subscription boxes this way. If I went to TJ Maxx, first of all, would I buy these things? And everything here, I totally would. Totally would. 2, if I bought it at TJ Maxx, would I be able to get it cheaper than the subscription box price of $35? No. This stuff would, even at TJ Maxx, be more than that, for sure. I'm very impressed with this box. This might end up being Christmas gifts for a few people I know. Fantastic. It says on the website, as long as you order by the 30th of the month, you'll get the next month's box. Okay, I ordered it on November 7th. It was shipped on the 12th, and I received it on the 18th. just to give you an idea of the timeline. There aren't a lot of YouTube videos on the WineDog box, which surprises me because lots of people love wine and dogs. Like how are there not more videos on this? Especially since it has such great stuff. By the way, since I told you the ingredients on the dog wine, let me tell you the ingredients on the ice cream. It has whole milk, which is lactose free, bacon flavoring, gelatin, and salt. So there you go. If you're like me, you pay attention to what your dogs are eating. Now treats, they get a lot of treats. Like they had pizza bones for dinner tonight. What a fantastic box. I'm so impressed with this. Sounds like if you order them, you'll get them in time for Christmas. So that's awesome. What a great Christmas gift. You can get all this stuff for only $35 plus whatever shipping is. And it's great stuff. And it's perfect for the dog lover and the wine lover in your life. And I know all of us have those people and many of us are those people. So go check them out. And then like I said, they also have some themed boxes on the website. So if you're not sure about ordering a box where you don't know what you're getting, the themed ones you don't know either, but you have a little more of an idea. Like, let me give you some ideas of what the themes are. They have a Hocus Pocus box, which looks like the Halloween box. That one's only $20. They have one called My Dog Would Make a Better President beer dog box. That one's $30. They have the Good Dog box for $30. The Wine Dog box for $30. Not sure what the difference is between that and the subscription that's $35. A fall donut and wine box for $30. A Dog-a-Rita box. I'm gonna order that one. We're margarita people. We're in Texas, so there you go. $30. And a happy birthday box for $40. There's also a tab called Giving Back where it lists some of the rescues that they have donated money to from the proceeds of the box. And when you go into order, it doesn't just have you order the box, it gives you some options. Well, not really options, it asks you for more information. So for example, it asks your dog's name, your dog's breed, maybe that's why I got a dachshund item, the size of your dog's birthday, and whether your dog has food allergies. That's pretty awesome. And you have the option of signing up for the month-to-month plan, a 3-month plan, and there's also an option when you go to checkout where you can check that this is a gift. And when you do that, which is what I did, and I've done that with several subscription boxes because I don't know what to expect. I don't know if I want to commit to a whole subscription. If you check this as a gift, it only is a one-time purchase. So you're not committing to getting it month to month. And if you don't like the box, then you don't have to bother with going to cancel, which can be a pain sometimes. But this one, I am signing up for the month-to-month subscription. Absolutely. This is amazing. I'm very excited for the next boxes. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. I'm sure you didn't enjoy it as much as I do because you don't have this stuff yet. You need to go buy it. This was really fun, which is the point of subscription boxes and getting great stuff for a great value. And I think anything for your dogs is a luxury, not just for them, but to you too. I think it's a lovely thing to do. And to me, that feels like a luxury. All right. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time. Have a fantastic day. Bye.